Hello viewers. About a month ago I did a video showing how they're building a new western town set here at Allied Studios in Simi Valley, California. And I was just going to do an update on the progress. See how it's going. So let me zoom in. And you can see they're starting to build more. I'm going to go over to a different location, get a different view. So let me head over there. Alright, here's another shot. Those facades that are up against railroad tracks, those are all painted. So it looks like this thing is definitely permanent. Okay, here's a quick shot from this angle. You can see the buildings. Alright, let me go to a different spot. Alright, I got up a little higher here. Let me zoom in. Alright, they're making progress on this thing. So what I'll do, maybe in another month, I'll come back, check in, see how the progress is going. Maybe I can get up a little higher to get a little more of an aerial view. Sorry, I don't own a drone. This is an underfunded YouTube channel. Alright, so this is Allied Studios, Western Town set being built here in Simi. Alright, thanks for watching.